Yeah, hello, I am Nestor. So I think today's video I'll be using English. So the last video I built my NAS computer, but then it kept making errors such as like it kept crashing time to time. So it kept crashing. So I decided to troubleshoot it. So firstly I'll put up a photo. You can see that I have connected all these cables, including the adapter, which 4 of these into the motherboard of this X299, 4 of these into here, and another into this thing. So we've got a M.2 to SATA adapter there, and I even brought in this network card, put it on here, and nothing happens. So I was wondering what's the problem. So yeah, because I'm always thinking either it's the driver of the 10 gig NIC or the M.2 adapter. But then as I put it over here into this X299, nothing happens. So I decided to plug them all in and try it with the RAM. So well, yeah, the answer is in the RAM. So it gave me I ran the MemTest 86 in default without XMP. So it gave me a fail. And I just tried with this stick and it did not. But with this one, it did. So yeah, I've found the solution to I found what's wrong with the machine, and so far it's not crashing. Yeah, it's not crashing. So for the last, was it 6 months or 5 months something? Yeah, I was using a broken device that it kept crashing and corrupted some of my data. Yeah, it's so far it's the RAM. And it's even failure. It's not even running 48,000 megahertz meta transfers for so yeah, it's not even running that speed. Yeah, I guess it's the video today. So yeah, for a follow-up for my popular NAS video that got 1,900 views. Yeah, thank you. So bye bye.